Hello from Slovenia again. I'm doing a commission piece, reverse flower dip. I didn't do a flower dip for a long time, so not so long, but it's been quite a while since I did flower dip. And this is a bigger canvas, so I think that I should do a little wider stripes this time, and I hope that my squeeze bottles will work nice with me today. Okay, this was Prussian phthalo blue, and I will add metallic bronze next to it. And then will be this greenish blue. It's a little this Prussian is a little darker, this one is a little lighter, but still dark. And then I will add turquoise. Oops. And pearl white. And this quinacridone burnt orange. No, no, please, no. And some Naples yellow, light, not much. And phthalo cyan turquoise. Okay, and now I will spray my paper towel. Just have to go a little more to the side because I don't want to spray water on my canvas. So let's place this down as nice as I can without having a lot of air underneath. It's quite okay. And top this. Gently and hoping that something nice will happen because this is a commission piece and it's always hard to do commissions in fluid art. What do you think? Because you never know what will happen. Have to watch for my middle part here. Let's torch it. And I think that is quite nice. I love this center, I really do. So let me take you down for a close-up. See these colors together, they are just beautiful. And some nice lacing. I think it's gorgeous. I love it. So tell me what you think. Do you like this color combination? I hope that my client will be happy. I didn't do quite nice job here, but this is just beautiful. Okay, flower dip again. I hope you like it like I do, because it's I like it. If my client will not won't like it, I will keep it because I love these colors together. So this is it for today. If you like it, consider to subscribe if you didn't yet, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and see you on the next one. Bye.